What if the most iconic van in history came back not as a slow-moving nostalgia piece, but as a luxury tech masterpiece with futuristic power and first-class comfort? This is the 2026 Volkswagen Samba Bus, a modern reinterpretation of a legend blending the retro soul with next-generation innovation. And trust me, this is not your grandfather's microbus. From the front, the 2026 Samba Bus instantly reconnects you with its heritage. The bold, oversized Volkswagen emblem sits proudly at the center, framed by a sharp, V-shaped chrome accent, a modern reinterpretation of the classic split-tone design that made the original Samba unforgettable. The round LED headlights maintain that nostalgic circular identity, yet they now feature ultra-modern LED halos with crystal-clear projector cores. Clean daytime running light strips subtly underline the face, giving it a refined premium presence rather than a playful vintage look. Move to the side, and you immediately notice how beautifully proportioned this new Samba is. The long, smooth body panels preserve that iconic boxy silhouette, yet everything feels sculpted and aerodynamic. The roofline remains flat, honoring the legendary multi-window Samba heritage, with panoramic glass sections running along the top. The polished multi-spoke alloy wheels elevate the look from retro camper to executive cruiser. The lowered stance and subtle chrome beltline trim add a premium touch. The body design is clean and intentional, with no unnecessary creases, no aggressive over-design, just confidence through simplicity. At the rear, this Samba Bus becomes surprisingly bold. Sharp LED taillights glow in a red geometric signature that contrasts beautifully against the blue body. A subtle horizontal blue light strip runs across the rear, adding a futuristic character. The large Volkswagen badge remains centered, while the Samba bus plate reminds you this is more than just a transport vehicle. It is a statement. The lower bumper integrates polished chrome and sporty exhaust outlets, blending heritage van identity with modern grand touring presence. It looks elegant, grounded, and genuinely premium. While the original Samba was never about speed, the 2026 version embraces modern electrification. Given Volkswagen's current direction, this Samba likely rides on a next-generation EV platform, delivering instant torque-smooth acceleration and near-silent cruising. Expect dual-motor all-wheel drive, options, strong horsepower figures, impressive electric range, and advanced regenerative braking. Step inside, and this is where the magic truly happens. The panoramic multi-panel glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, recreating the classic Samba skylight experience in a seamless modern execution. The dashboard stretches across the width in a wide curved digital display, integrating the instrument cluster, infotainment, and navigation system into one cohesive design. Augmented reality head-up display. Information floats subtly on the windshield, while climate and media controls are integrated cleanly into a minimalist center console. The two-tone interior, soft beige leather, combined with wood trim accents, feels more Scandinavian luxury than retro camper. The 2026 Samba Bus represents something bigger than just a model revival. The 2026 Volkswagen Samba Bus is more than a vehicle. It is a bridge between past and future, between analog memories and digital innovation, between classic road trips and next-generation mobility. Would you choose this over a modern SUV? Would you take it on a cross-country electric road trip? Let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next ride.